All right, Monday makers. This is your boy Divine. Always, they making opportunities to make money. I wanted to bring this to your attention here. Qmee is a website where you can take surveys and make money, and I talked about them previously on my channel. So they do offer pretty good incentives to make money, like because $1 and $36 for 15 minutes, and that's included if you get accepted into the survey. But sometimes you don't always get accepted, so you have to make sure that you get accepted. And then this is just my account that I took a screen recording of $400 I have made with them. Now I didn't make $400 all in one setting, but this is just over months, a period of time that I made money from them. So it's really important that you take that into consideration. I didn't make $400, in one setting. It's over months, as you can see, different dates and times from, just looking at it. You know, 44 cents, 30 cents, $2, 10 cents, 20 cents, 24 cents, 39. And then the list just goes on and on and on and on and on. And you can see, you can really see that, you can cash out at any point. So I just want to kind of bring that to your attention to kind of let you know that Qmee does pay, and you can cash out at any particular time. But the one downside about Qmee is that it doesn't. When researchers feel like you are not being honest and true for, you may not have available surveys on you to take on your dashboard, which is what you see here when I'm logged into the desktop. Now, it's really important that you do your due diligence to understand that if you have your demographics, your age, and all that correctly, and then when you go in to take the surveys, they're going to ask you other information like your name and age and gender to see if you're telling the truth, and if you're not telling the truth, um, they might kick you out, but you can still be telling the truth, and they will kick you out just because of the demographics that if you don't meet the demographics or age or gender or whatever they're looking for to take that survey. So it's really important, and you got to understand when you see all of this, when you see all these surveys that I took in, you can really make money on this website. So it is legitimate, and I've cashed out multiple times. $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6. Some is even high as $14. But that means you got to take at least over 10 surveys, and you got to be doing it hours on top of hours. So this is not for the weak. It really is not for the weak. Um, if you really want to make some decent money on here, you gotta work for it. Qmee don't play. They'll be quick to cut you out if you don't meet the qualifications. But that's all I'm saying. You can see all of the surveys, different dates and times that I did it. Let me know down in the section if you've heard about Qmee before, or if you're brand new to my channel. Make sure you like and subscribe, because I talk about new ways to make money all the time. And other than that, make sure you comment down in the section below and let me know how much you earn on this app. Have a great day, money makers. Bye.